Hi guys, so in this video we are going to talk about cloning of an object. So let's say we have uh, one object, let obj that is x, let's say product, or we can give a good name to it. Let me keep it a product, and inside the product we can have id, we can have product name, and we can have add uh, we can have a product uh, product quantity uh, quality, let's say so if quality is different, like a quality, uh, color, grade, type, large, something like that might not be a correct order, but I'm just giving you an example. So now, as I said, this product would have been allocated a memory for this JavaScript and for all the properties as well. So, for example, if we copy, like you might have studied about destructuring. So, there's one way, like let product one, and we can destructure product here. What will happen? It will create a new memory location and spread all these properties. So now if you have product 1, you can see you have same things. But let's say if I want to change product dot quality dot color equal to green. So what will happen? While restructuring, we could not restructure this thing, and it had a memory location, and so what will happen is it will refer to this original object. So if I change this, sorry, I misspelled. Okay. Now, if you check product 1 and see what is the color is now green. Since this is a separate object, once we destructure the root properties, not the nested one, and its memory location is still same. We did not create a different memory location for color and type. That's why uh, it is referring to the existing one. So we'll talk about the ways by which we can clone objects in next video.